Good morning, students. In this particular session, we will see how the partners' capital accounts are prepared. Partners' capital account. As we know that the capital means the amount which is invested by the owner for starting a business organization. That partners' capital is fluctuated when the amount is withdrawn by the partners or any remuneration or any amount is given or allowed by the firm to the partners. There is a need to maintain the partner's capital account to know that what is the closing balance of their capital accounts. So, a partnership firm has more than one owners and their capital account is to be maintained. It is so because each partner has separate transactions with the firm. Suppose we are given here three partners like A, B and C. Their capital contribution would be different. Partners may be allowed interest on capital, salary, commission, or their profit sharing ratio may be different. So to distribute this profit of the firm, we prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. And after preparing profit and loss appropriation account, it becomes necessary to calculate the closing capital of the partner. So partners' capital accounts are prepared. There are two methods by which the capital account of the partners are maintained. The first one is fixed capital account method and the second one is fluctuating capital method. Under the fixed capital method, the capital of the partner remains the fixed. That is why it is called fixed capital method. Under this method, two accounts are prepared. One is capital account and the other one is partner's current account. In capital account, we record only the amount contributed by the partner along with the permanently amount withdrawn by the partners and additional capital introduced by them, that is recorded only in this particular account. All the other adjustments like salary to the partners, commission to the partners, interest on capital, interest on drawing, etc. are transferred to the current account. That's why when only capital amount is written in the capital account, it remains fixed. And in current account, we record all the other adjustments. We can see here in current account which amounts are debited. Drawings of the partners, interest on drawing, share of the loss and transfer to the capital account. These all amounts are debited in the partner's current account. What we have to get from the partners. As you know that current account is also the part of capital account. So when the capital is reduced, that is debited, and when the capital is increased, that is credited. So by providing interest on capital, remuneration to the partner, share of the profit or transfer, these will increase the capital of the partner. So these amounts are credited to the partner's current account. The balance of the capital accounts are shown in the liability side of the balance sheet. Credit balance of the current account is shown in the liability side, whereas the debit balance is shown in the asset side of balance sheet. Drawings against capital is debited in partner's capital account, not in current account. You can see here the format for partner's capital account. First of all, in the credit side, we have to record here the balance, opening balance, then additional capital brought in, permanently amount is withdrawn by any partner and then the balance is transferred. Partners current account. What we have to pay to the partners will be credited and what we have to take from the partners, that is debited. First of all, balance BD, then interest on capital, commission to the partners, salary to the partners and share of profit, that is recorded in the credit side. And in debit side, if there is an opening debit balance, that will be transferred first and then drawings against the profit. If it is drawings against the capital, that will not be recorded. Interest on drawing and then loss share or share of loss and then the balance. When the partners' capitals are fluctuating, only one account is maintained, that is partners' capital account. Along with the capital balances, all the adjustments like interest on capital, salary, interest on drawings, they are included in partners capital account only. Capital account having a credit balance are shown in the liability side of balance sheet and With the debit balance, it is shown in the asset side of balance sheet. In the absence of any information, it is always assumed that the capitals are maintained by following fluctuating capital method. This is the format for the capital account under fluctuating. You can see the same current account we had prepared. First of all, by balance BD, additional capital if brought in by the partner, that is by bank or by cash, interest on capital, commission, salary, and then profit share. If the debit balance is there of any partner, that will be debited. Then cash or bank, drawings, interest on drawings, and then share of loss, and the balance is drawn. Difference between fixed capital and fluctuating capital. You can see here the number of accounts. Under fixed method, we prepare two accounts. One is capital account and the other one is current account. When the capital accounts are prepared following fluctuating capital method, we have to prepare only one single account, that is capital account. Frequencies of changes. When the fixed capital method is adopted, the fixed capital account does not change except when the further capital is introduced or capital is withdrawn permanently. Whereas the fluctuating capital, that changes very frequently, means with each and every transaction it will be affected. Transactions. Under fixed capital method, only capital balance is recorded in the capital account along with the permanently withdrawn or the additional amount introduced by the partner. Whereas a current account separately maintained to record the appropriations like interest on capital, interest on drawing, salaries, commission, bonus, share of profit, etc. All the adjustments related to partners are recorded in capital account only when we follow the fluctuating capital method. Balance. The capital account always has a credit balance, whereas the capital account may have debit or credit balances. We will see how to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account and partners capital account. We are given one question here that Kapil and Kunal are the partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 7:3. Their capitals were rupees 2 lakh and rupees 1,20,000 respectively. The partnership deed provides for the interest on capital at the rate of 5% per annum and salary to Kapil rupees 2,000 per month. Net profit before providing for the interest on capital and partner's salary amounted to rupees 60,000. Show the distribution of profit. They withdrew rupees 10,000 and 5,000 respectively. Here we can see that the profit for the current accounting year, that is 60,000, will be credited first of all in the credit side, and then interest on capital will be recorded in the debit. It is 5% on 2 lakh rupees, it means 10,000, and on 1,20,000, 5%, it means 6,000. Total amount will be 16,000. Kapil is allowed 2,000 rupees per month as salary, so 24,000. Now, the remaining amount, rupees 20,000, will be distributed between Kapil and Kunal in their profit sharing ratio, that is 7:3. Now we have to learn how to prepare the partner's capital account. Partner's capital account is prepared following two methods: when the capitals are fixed or when the capitals are fluctuating. When the capitals are fixed, two accounts are prepared. The first one is partner's capital account and the other one is partner's current account. In partner's capital account, we record only the balances of the capital, and if the permanent withdrawal is there of the capital, then that is debited, and if the additional capital is brought in by any partner, that is credited. So here you can see that Kapil and Kunal's capital is recorded in the credit side, as the capital is a liability and always has a credit balance. So by balance BD, rupees 2 lakh and rupees 1,20,000, the same amount will be carried down. Now partner's current account. In partner's current account, we have to record the opening balance BD in the credit side and then whatever we have to pay to the partners, that amount will be credited. Interest on capital will be recorded in the credit side, partner salary will be recorded in the credit side, profit portion which is credited to the partners, the profit for the year which has been distributed, that is credited. Then amount of drawing is deducted from total amount payable to the partners. That is why 10,000 and 5,000 respectively will be debited. Now you can see that what amount has been given to a partner and what amount he has already withdrawn. If that is compared or if it is adjusted, we may know that how much amount is available of that particular partner in our business organization. So you can see that 48,000 rupees is to be paid to Kapil, and he has already taken out rupees 10,000. So the remaining balance will be 38,000 available for him. Now you can see for Kunal 6,000 and 6,000, 12,000 is the total amount available, and out of that 5,000 he has already withdrawn. So remaining amount rupees 7,000 will be the balance in his current account.